Welcome to my channel. Today we'll be looking at how we can leverage on video to boost your business growth. In today's digital world where video dominates the online platform, a lot of videos circulate this platform dragging for attention. It is important that businesses begin to look for ways they can harness the power of video, maybe through storytelling, through personalized video marketing, so that they can get to the very targeted audience and then use that as a means to boost the growth of their business. And that is what this channel is all about. My name is Elias. I'm a brand communication expert, and today I'm going to walk you through on how you can harness video to boost your business. With that being said, let's look at the importance of using video or leveraging on video to drive business growth. One of the very essential importance of leveraging on video to drive business growth is that it helps to enhance brand awareness. Video has the capacity to create lasting, memorable impression. So because of that, it leaves your viewer with an important element in the video, which comprises of how the story was being told and the call to action that the video has. So the video drives them to get an information of what the brand's value is, what the culture of the brand is all about, and what they're out there to do for you as their customer. With that, you have proper information. Now, one good thing about video is that it has two elements. One of the elements is the visual and the audio. With the visual, you're able to see what the company or what the brand wants you to see. And with the audio, you are able to hear the storyline, the narrative, that is being said while the video is playing. And these two elements are very, very important, because while the video leaves a memory in your brain, the audio helps you to understand what the video is all about. So that is one of the key elements of using or leveraging on video to promote your business. To further buttress this point, let me share with you a case study. In 2004, Dove decided to launch the Real Beauty campaign. The objective of this campaign is to challenge the societal beauty standard that are there, and also to promote self-acceptance by showcasing real women and their struggle. Now, the approach that they use is by creating series of video that is focused on redefining beauty, and also to show the challenges that women from different ages, sizes, ethnicity face. And they apply three key important strategies. Now, I want you to listen attentively to this key strategy that I'll be mentioning that they use, because you may need it to optimize your business leveraging on video. One of the key strategies that they employed in this scenario was creating compelling story. They were able to create stories that are relatable, that women all over the world, regardless of your size, your age, where you are from, what you go through, they created that kind of video and put it out there in the public domain. Another thing that they did was authenticity. Now, these videos that they created, showcase unretouched image. So what they put out there was the true beauty of a woman. What I mean by the true beauty is that these women did not have to put up makeup, they did not have to retouch them, they just came as they are, and then they shared the struggle that they are going through because of their sizes, because of their shape, and that has been the social construct that has created the standard for women when it comes to beauty. And this happened to be perpetuated by media. So they put out there that a woman has to look this way. And if you don't look this way, you're not a real woman. So the campaign was to challenge that orientation. So the third approach to this was asking the viewers to share the videos in the various platforms available. So they were able to share this, and this created controversies, created conversation, about this topic. At the end of the campaign, millions of people participated in the conversation. The videos itself garnered millions of views. What is the whole reason for creating such campaign? The reason is to enhance the brand visibility, and they were able to achieve this. So, what is the take home from this case study? Now, if you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe, like this video, and also share to your friends, your colleagues, and also your partners that you want to start a business with. Let them see, something very important that's going to help them and the business, so that we can begin to have brand that are succeeding here and there. That is my wish. So the take home from here is for you to create a compelling story with your video. Make sure that the videos are relatable to your targeted audience. Of course, you've done your market research, you've known your customers, you've known your audience. So whatever video that you're creating, ensure that it's a video that can strike conversation. It's a video that will interest your targeted audience. That is one. Two, when creating a video, make it look as real as it can be. I'm sure you would have criticized videos where you say that this video is fake, it's poorly acted, and all that. So while shooting your video, ensure that whatever storyline you're telling your people, telling your audience, is real and authentic, so that they can buy into it. And most importantly, don't forget to ask them to share the videos on their different platforms. This will help the video gain virality and enhance your brand awareness. Thank you very much. I'm sure you're ready for the next topic. See that in my next video. Have a lovely day. Bye.